forget expensive fancy warmers forever. Newspaper shoe inserts can transform your everyday footwear into surprisingly warm havens. The concept is quite ingenious, using readily available materials to create a barrier against the cold. You simply need some old newspapers, perhaps a stack of 2 or 3 pages thick per insert. The paper acts as a remarkable insulator, trapping air pockets that prevent heat loss from your feet. To create these winterproofing marvels, you will take 1 full page of a broadsheet newspaper and fold it in half lengthwise, then in half again crosswise. This creates a compact 4-layer thickness for optimal insulation. You can then trace the outline of your shoe's existing insole onto the folded newspaper using a pen or marker. Carefully cut along this line, giving you a custom fit insert. Repeat this process for the other foot. It takes only about 5 minutes to prepare a pair of these inserts, making it an extremely efficient solution for warmth. These inserts are most effective when placed beneath your existing insoles or directly on the bottom of your shoe, if no insole is present. The lightweight nature of newspaper means you hardly feel them inside your boots or sneakers. For maximum benefit, especially on extremely cold days, you might consider using 2 separate layers of these folded 4-page inserts, creating an 8-layer barrier. This can increase the perceived warmth by as much as 15 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit when compared to shoes without any inserts. Many people report their feet feeling cozy and dry even after spending hours outdoors in temperatures well below freezing. The cost efficiency is truly unparalleled. A stack of old newspapers typically costs $0 if you already have them at home, or less than $1 if purchased from a newsstand. This stands in stark contrast to specialized thermal insoles, which can easily cost $10 to $20 per pair. For just a few cents or nothing at all, you achieve a level of warmth that rivals much more expensive options. It is recommended to replace your newspaper inserts every 1 or 2 days, especially if your feet tend to sweat, as dry paper offers superior insulation. This simple habit ensures consistent warmth throughout the entire cold season. This method works perfectly for a wide range of footwear, from sturdy winter boots to everyday walking shoes and even more casual sneakers, making it a universally applicable cold feet solution. It is a testament to simple ingenuity. This practical hack has been passed down through generations, proving its enduring effectiveness and accessibility for anyone looking to beat the winter chill without breaking the bank. Imagine surviving Arctic blasts with nothing but old newsprint. Newspaper shoe inserts are truly a game changer for anyone battling freezing tones. This ridiculously simple hack offers a level of warmth one might expect from expensive, high-tech materials, not discarded paper. Think about it. A mere 4 layers of a common broadsheet newspaper can boost your foot warmth by a solid 10 to 15 degrees on a frigid morning. The air trapped between those paper layers becomes a powerful insulator, preventing your body heat from escaping into the biting cold ground. It is like having a tiny personal heater inside your boots, a trick used by millions for perhaps 150 years. Creating these warming wonders takes less time than brewing coffee, maybe 3 to 5 minutes for a full pair. You will need roughly 2 full pages of an average daily newspaper, each providing enough material for 1 insert. Avoid the glossy advertising sections, as they do not absorb moisture as effectively as plain newsprint. The key is the fibrous nature of the paper itself, which creates those tiny insulating air pockets. For someone living in a region with long, cold winters, this translates to hundreds of hours of comfortable outdoor activity each season. Many users report feeling a noticeable difference within just 5 minutes of placing the inserts into their shoes, even on days when the temperature dips below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The adaptability of these paper pads is astonishing. They fit into nearly every shoe type, from rugged work boots to everyday sneakers. For ultimate winterproofing, especially during snowstorms or temperatures dropping to 20 below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, consider stacking 2 inserts per shoe, creating an 8-layer barrier. This doubles your insulation potential, effectively adding another 7 to 10 degrees of perceived warmth. The best part is the cost, which is virtually nothing, maybe 0 to 50 cents if you are buying a newspaper specifically. This means you can keep your feet toasty for an entire winter for less than $1. Replacing them is a breeze, too often recommended every 1 to 2 days, especially if your feet sweat a lot. Dry paper insulates far better than damp paper. In very dry conditions, they can last up to 3 or 4 days without losing significant effectiveness. This low-tech solution outshines many high-priced alternatives. While a fancy thermal insole might promise a 20-degree increase, it comes with a $20 price tag. Our newspaper solution offers nearly the same benefit for 0 investment. Think about a family of 4 needing these inserts for 3 months of winter. That is 240 individual inserts required. If each person changed them every other day, that would be 4 times 90 inserts, or 360 inserts over the 90-day winter period. The environmental impact is minimal too, as you are repurposing materials that would otherwise be discarded. It is a fantastic example of resourcefulness and practical living. People from all walks of life, from outdoor workers to students walking to school, rely on this age-old trick. This method is straightforward. Everyone can access warm feet, no matter their economic situation. It truly revolutionizes winter comfort for countless individuals across many colder climates. Imagine surviving 20 below 0 with nothing but old newsprint. Newspaper shoe inserts revolutionize cold weather foot warmth, boosting comfort by 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit as temperatures plummet. Preparation takes 3 to 5 minutes, using 2 full pages of standard newsprint per pair. Avoid glossy advertisement sections completely. They hinder moisture absorption and insulation. The paper's fibrous composition creates numerous air-trapping pockets, a robust thermal barrier against ground cold. Users notice warmth improvement within 5 minutes. For blizzards or 20 below 0 Fahrenheit conditions, stack 2 inserts per shoe, creating an 8-layer barrier. This boosts insulation, adding 7 to 10 degrees of perceived warmth, making freezing conditions tolerable. Cost is practically 0, perhaps 50 cents for newspaper supply, a stark contrast to $20 high-tech insoles. Replacement every 1 to 2 days is vital, especially if feet sweat, since damp paper loses insulating power. In dry climates, they last 3 or 4 days. A family of 4 needing inserts for a 3-month winter demands 240 individual inserts if changed daily. Every other day, replacement totals 4 times 90 inserts, or 360 inserts over 90 days. This resourceful method repurposes materials, minimizing environmental impact. Millions from outdoor laborers to students have depended on this ingenious technique for over 150 years. This practical approach fits all shoe types, from rugged work boots to casual athletic footwear, ensuring warm feet for everyone, regardless of economic situation. This low-tech marvel truly transforms winter comfort for countless individuals across diverse cold regions.